December 31st, 2015, 11:59 p.m., New York, New Year's Eve, Times Square. So, what do you think? Maybe it's a bit too much? Who cares? Let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Okay, I'll admit the extra fireworks were a nice touch. I know, right? Well, guys, it's now the new year, 2026. Tell me what you liked about 2025 and what you're expecting for 2026. For me, I'm expecting for the new Super Mario movie, well, the Galaxy Super Mario movie, to be awesome. Well, tell me what your New Year's resolution is down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time on a new year. Bye. Happy New Year's. Later, Gators.